Here we are going to be talking about 5 AI tools that feel illegal in 2026 to use. Most people try to leverage AI the wrong way, and that is why they struggle. In this video, I will show you 5 AI tools that feel most illegal to use in 2026, but one of them is completely different from what most creators expect. Stay until the end because the last one works globally, but only if you understand one important detail. Those tools won't make you rich overnight, but using them consistently, they can save you hours, create content, and even generate new opportunities. I'll break down what each tool does, who it's best for, and how to use it effectively. I will rank them slightly from easiest to most skill based. So here we are starting with tool number one, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can write script, emails, marketing ideas, or even answer complex questions. What you just do with ChatGPT is that you just type your request and it delivers instantly. It's perfect for if you are starting out and want high impact with low skills. Whatever you want ChatGPT to do for you. So this is my workflow I've been doing with ChatGPT so far, and I'm telling you actually that this ChatGPT has helped me a lot. Actually, if you want to write anything on ChatGPT, you will come to this place where they say new chat. You are going to launch this way. Then you are going to type in whatever you think you want to type. Like for instance, let me say I want to generate a particular I need a layout prompt to generate a particular thumbnail. So now you come to ChatGPT, you say, okay, ChatGPT, give me a thumbnail. You write everything to ChatGPT, a thumbnail prompt. Because at times it takes time. My typing board at times, even though it may take time, but we believe in the result. Give me a thumbnail prompt about a man playing with his peck. So when I type this way, I say give me the layout, then you click this icon here. ChatGPT is going to generate it for you. This is the prompt. So this prompt, you can take it to any AI that does generation of thumbnail and you give it to it. It's going to generate it perfectly for you. Guys, ChatGPT is actually good to use if you want to search anything, you want to use it for your workflow, you want to use it to your ebooks, anything. ChatGPT is going to guide you throughout. So we are going to tool 2, which is Inshort, as you can see on your board. This one is better if you prefer content creation without filming. Inshort can take longer articles or videos and turn them into short, ready to share clips. Your focus on voice and the AI handles the rest. Method 3 also requires more creativity versus. So we are going straight to Inshort, and I'm going to show you how we do them, how we edit our video, how you can add your voice to Inshort without you filming anything like doing a screenshot recording or anything. Inshort, as you can see from your board, this is Inshort. So now we are going to be taking our image. We want to cut them into half so that it can come out to become a video, as we can join them together to become a video, or maybe we can use them in our short videos. Now I'm going to show you how you take your picture, your image, your video, and come here into Inshort. Then actually I'm also going to show you how you can add your voice in Inshort without you not necessarily looking for any other app where you go and make voice record and bring into Inshort. So now you are taking the plus sign. When you come into Inshort, you take the plus sign. Then the plus sign is showing you video and photo. So this video and photo, you take it, is taking you to your gallery where all your images are found. Then you are taking videos. any of the video you wish or you think you want to edit. Like for instance, let's take this one, and then we take we take it to Inshort. This is the video we have taken to Inshort. Okay, now we want to add a voice to this Inshort. Look at it. This video does not have a voice. Look at it. You don't actually have a voice. So now we want to put a voice on this video. So now Inshort does everything. So if you want to add a voice on Inshort, you actually need to come to this place where they say audio, where I am touching. You click on audio, then you go now to record. This is where you record. Then now when you go to record, you take now you touch on the record, and the countdown finish as you are seeing. Then now you can start talking. Your voice is recording. Your voice start recording, as you can see. So that is how you record on Inshort. Then actually, if you want to reduce your image to the size you want, you can take from here. You touch the video, you touch the image, or the video you have put. Then you actually look for the tool that you are going to trim. Like you come to precut, you take precut, and you actually take it. If you actually want to take the video, the middle part, like some people always do their short, they want to take a video from the long form video to go and do their short. You can easily come from here. You take from this edge, you end where you want the short to be. Then you actually come from the other edge. Then you take it where you want it to be. And then this is it. Then you can do, or you can trim cut it at this moment. When you trim cut it, you actually now take the middle part, and the middle part now maybe your focus. If you want to do actually your short, like people, those that do TikTok, those that do Facebook, even here in YouTube, you can still do it. Then you will take the good, then you will cut that video. Actually, you can now see that we have cut the video. It was actually longer than this, so we have cut it now to become this size, and now it is okay that you can use it. Now you can, if you want to take it for short, like use it on TikTok, this is what you will do. You are actually going to come to the place where they say Canva. You will touch the canvas. Then you will take the size for short, which is 9:9:16. You are seeing it there. Then you touch it here. Automatically, it's going to change to the form of short form video. Then you will use it, and that is all about it. There are other features you can navigate through it, and you will see that it is very helpful. That is why Canva is actually good to use. We are going to the next tool, the third tool, which is AI Studio. This one is one of the best. Please do not miss a part of this, because this one is going to be the best. AI Studio lets you generate entire videos or characters from text prompt. It's more advanced, but the creativity is huge. It separates casual content creators from serious builders. You need no skills to navigate on this prompt. And actually, I'm going to tell you what this prompt is all about. It can also generate you a better thumbnail for your videos, a better thumbnail for anything you want to do. And it can also give you a good video clip that you can use for your video content. It's actually easy to navigate, but follow me through every step as I go with you. So we'll begin from here.
How? Step by step. First the script, then the voices. Impressive.
AI Studio. I just launched it immediately. So now in this AI Studio, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your thumbnail. I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your video clips, everything. And you like for video clips, no matter how it gives you the length, you can still take it to Inshort and you join it. You join the clips together, and it can give you a whole form of video, a whole movie or a series. But I'm going to be showing you first of how you can do, or you can make a thumbnail. So from this side, to show you how to make a thumbnail, you head on to ChatGPT, which was our first tool that we shared together. You tell ChatGPT the kind of prompt you want to generate for your thumbnail, and it's going to give to you. So here is ChatGPT. Remember that we came to ChatGPT the time where I was demonstrating to you. I told him that give me a thumbnail prompt about a man playing with his pet. Give me the layout. So we are going to take just that layout, and we are going to copy the prompt this way. And when you are done copying the prompt, you are going to head on to AI Studio. Now you paste the prompt here in AI Studio, as you have seen me do mine. Now you're not going to launch immediately. You are going to take it to the size you want. If you are doing TikTok, you want the thumbnail to be TikTok style thumbnail. You are going to take it to the size. If you are doing a long form video, you are going to shoot to size. And now you come to this place where they say auto. You touch where they say auto. Then you look at the size. We have 1:1, 9:16, 16:9, which is the long form video size, 3:4, 4:3. Then we take the long form video size because I want to generate a thumbnail for long form video size. Now when you do it like this, then you just go to your run. Then you see how the app is going to generate for you. You're going to see what the app is going to do. That is it generating. Just watch and see. Just watch and see. Soon our thumbnail will be ready. That is our thumbnail. We said a man playing with his pet, and we can see actually how the thumbnail came about. Now this is how you can download the thumbnail to your gallery and then use it after later on your video. You touch on the image of the thumbnail, then you come to this arrow where it shows download, then you download it. Then you can do the same. You can ask ChatGPT also to write you a series of a movie. Then you come here, you launch the same way you are going to get your video. So guys, in our next video we are going to be sharing the last two. Because of time we could not share all the tools in this particular video. Which one fit you, which of the videos actually fit your workflow best? Comment below if you want practical breakdown of all of AI tools without the hype.
Welcome
Subscribe.
to this short video
I share real strategies every week.
Experience
Virtues.
seamless transformations and engaging content.